We thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on evening of August 18th, 2026. This is going to be two parts to this video here. If you want the forecast, you can go ahead and just skip through the first few minutes. But I want to dedicate the first part of this video to the storm that we had on Friday here in Charlottesville. August 14th, 2026 is a day I won't be getting for a long time. This storm began in southeastern Rockingham County and it tracked over the Blue Ridge and became tornado warned right when it entered northern Albemarle County in the Free Union area. That's where I actually caught the storm. I was out in Free Union when the storm was rolling in, and it weakened a little bit as it continued to track south and east, and but re-intensified right when it got to the city of Charlottesville. It became tornado warned, and the National Weather Service has gone out and surveyed this storm. And the area between Greenbrier and Dardentow Park looks like had 90-mile-an-hour straight line winds, which is the strength of an EF1 tornado. They're going to go out and they're going to continue looking at it. There was certainly some rotation in the storm, but in terms of at the ground level, there has not been any indication that there was a tornado that touched down. It's just looking like 90-mile-an-hour winds, which is nothing to mess with. And it also produced 2 to 2.5 inch in diameter hail, and they continued tracking south and east and dropped some more very large hail in western Fluvanna County as well, and near Lake Monticello, right on the Albemarle Fluvanna County line. Yeah, I want to do a shout out to Jacob Conrad and George Graham, who recounted their experience of this storm to me. They live in Charlottesville, and George had mentioned that a tree had fallen on their neighbor's house during the storm, and he was in the house, and but the winds were so loud he didn't even hear the tree fall on the neighbor's house. House two houses down, but still, I mean, that's how strong the winds were. I also want to do a shout out to Jake Mancuso, the brave soul who rided this storm out at the Wawa and Pantops, and I certainly want to do a shout out to Peter Forister, a fellow Virginia Tech meteorology alumni who took this photograph of the storm. I believe this was over the Pantops area of Charlottesville. Go follow Peter Forrester Photography on Facebook if you want more content like this photograph here. And I also got a radar screenshot of this storm. This is clearly a supercell here. Got this is this is probably where the hail was right in here, and got the rear flank downdraft wrapping around the backside there. Not a storm structure we see here in Virginia very often. This was a very unusual storm, and right there is this area where the winds were the highest, right in there. But we'll go ahead and get on into today's forecast here now and of the upcoming few days here. Let's see if we can get the radar up here. Yes, we've got really all we have going on today. And oh yeah, I did want to mention too. I mean, we had y'all probably saw in the shorts videos, but there were two severe thunderstorm warnings, one on Sunday and one on Monday as well. So it's been a very active past few days for Charlottesville. Today, not much going on, just a brief shower here over the northern part, and probably some thunder there in the northern part of Halifax County, but nothing here in central Virginia. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the next few days as well. I might have some fog to start out tomorrow, but we're going to have some high pressure building in and bringing some drier air to our area. Temperatures will probably reach right around 90 degrees for the high tomorrow, but it should be a completely dry day and no chance of storms tomorrow. Now, it will be the warmth and humidity will continue on into Thursday, but we will have a cold front as we head on into Wednesday night into Thursday, start to track into the area here, and that front will approach Thursday evening and could give us a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Some stronger storms are certainly possible. Right now, the National Weather Service has a marginal risk 1 out of 5, mainly south and east of Richmond there in Virginia. But we'll be keeping an eye on that as well Thursday evening with the cold front. Now, on Friday, temperatures only look to top out in the mid 80s, and that's going to be really our theme for the next, really on through early next week. But some showers will certainly stick around as we head on into Friday. And check what happens here. We got a big trough here in the jet stream, and big dip in the jet stream there, and we're going to be on the east side of that. So as we head on into Saturday, we could have another round of some stronger storms as well. Mainly looks to be showers on Friday, but storms possible Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that. And by the time we get into Sunday, though, a cold front will have pushed off south and east again. Won't really do much to change the temperature, but we'll keep and we'll have some showers around Sunday as well. And then as we head on into Monday, it's gonna start to dry out. We'll have winds pushing in out of the northwest, and temperatures will hold in the mid 80s, and we will, have some lower humidity there as well, and it should be pretty nice on into early to mid next week. We'll be keeping you posted, especially on the chance for Thursday storms. But until then, thanks and have a great, safe evening.